Happy Sunday, y'all. Today I'm going to be swatching my latest order from Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. I got the October Dip for a Cause Trio, which goes towards supporting breast cancer research. So starting off, the colors in here are called Save the Tatas, You Picked the Wrong Girl, and Faith Over Fear, and it's a variety of different pink shades. Perfect for October. She always sends a cupcake liner with the orders, and hers are my favorite. They're super thin and super easy to work with. A little sticker and a piece of candy, always fun. Then if we keep digging in here, we got these cute little breast cancer ribbons to use with these pretty pink dips. And if I keep going, there is a little scoop, there's a file, there's a buffer block, and an orange wood stick. I use these buffer blocks constantly, so I'm really glad they come free in all these orders. Here's her business card with all her info, socials, and website, and it wouldn't be Sunday without swatches, so let's get into it. All right, let's get into these colors. The first one is Faith Over Fear, and I am immediately making a mess because, of course, I am. I don't know why I thought this cute little setup was going to be super effective, but I digress. So this one is like a very baby light pink with some iridescent flakes. Now let's go in with a little more sense on this second swatch, like we're not trying to pour powder all over the table. I always pat down my swatches to make sure everything's like flush and smooth and dry. You absolutely don't have to do that. I've had a couple people ask me why I do it. It's just a habit. Okay, onto that second color called Save the Tatas. This is such a satiny, pretty, medium pink. I don't really know how to explain it other than that. It's got a lot of like super fine shimmer throughout it. It's just gorgeous. It just really lays gorgeously. Like, can you tell? Can you see? It's like a medium pink with like the finest gold shimmer. It's stunning. I'm wondering if this is gonna look good against my weird pasty skin tone, but if not, I have a couple girlfriends that this would pull on like perfectly. Okay, the third color is You Picked the Wrong Girl, and it is a true Barbie pink glitter. Very pretty, very fun. So while I do the rest of this swatch, I'll just go ahead and tell you I highly suggest Sassy Mouth as a company. The owner is amazing, the dips are amazing, and I love, love, love the Dips for a Cause bundles that she does every month. They always go towards some really amazing things that need funding. The colors are always gorgeous, and it's fun to have the exclusive dips if you're a collector. My mother-in-law is a breast cancer survivor, and she means the absolute world to me, so I definitely wanted this set. Frickin' look at that. Is that not a Malibu Barbie dream? Ugh. Y'all, for some reason, I was fighting my demons with this one particular swatch. This is absolutely me top coating it, not activating it, because I picked up the wrong bottle. It was trial. It was a trial. All right, so now I go ahead and activate the other two, which now that I think about it, maybe it wouldn't matter if I activated and all that because I don't buff them or anything because they're just swatches. So maybe I could just go in with the top coat. I don't know. Anyways, let's get it done. Let's get it done correctly. Okay, it's about that time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at creepybitty_nails. And if you want to check out Sassy Mouths Dips for a Cause, I'll have it linked in the description below. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye!